Alas, my love, you do me wrong to cast me off discourteously.
Anna walked next to him in the form of a tawny female cougar, about 2.5 meters long, nose to tip of her tail. Her back legs were much larger than her front legs. Anna looked up at him from her nearly meter-high shoulders and stepped back. "How much do you weigh? You look really large for a female cougar," Lee asked. Lee felt a thought that felt like humor. "Are you supposed to ask a female how old she is or how much she weighs?" Anna asked through Lee's subcutaneous communicator. Lee blushed. "When you said you were going to manifest in this form as a female cougar, I looked up the characteristics. Female cougars are smaller than the males. I decided to go with the characteristics of a larger female from the colder regions of the North American continent. I weigh 60 kilograms. I'm at the upper end of the scale because you may need some of my mass in an emergency," Anna explained. "You are made of synthetic lamb. Could I just cut off some of you and form that into an object or a weapon?" Lee asked. "That's not how it works, but if you keep your pudgy little hands to yourself, then I will keep my claws to myself," she said, holding up her right front paw and extending her claws more and more until they were as long as razor-sharp knives. "Good Lord!" Lee exclaimed. "Is that the normal length of your claws?" "I may have exaggerated them a little,"